home, and now I'm gonna go let my cat out because he was stuck in the bathroom all day. You can hear meowing, or not all day, the whole time we were out. I can hear meowing. Meek! Come here. Hi. Oh, love your heart. He's been locked up the whole vacation, poor little thing. But he pees everywhere, so we needed to lock him up. So now we're gonna unload and then go get our dog and then come back. I'm probably gonna just chill out. And I have a question for you guys. Comment down below or like this video if you want to see a haul video, because I bought a bunch of stuff while I was in the mountains, and I was wondering if you guys wanted to see what I got and like the prices and stuff, because they had some pretty good discounts and stuff for like shoes and stuff, because I got like tons of stuff. So I was wondering if you guys wanted to see that. And yeah. Hummer. Sweetie. Archie's so excited. Look at him. Archie. So we're back home. We got Archie, and hold on, it's really dark. And my brother's broke. Windshield wiper broke, so they're gonna go get that fixed after they bring down the bags and stuff. And I'm gonna brush Archie outside and just kind of chill. So yeah. And let me know if you guys like these vlogs, because I like doing them. I enjoy vlogging. Hey Archie. And yeah, I want to know if you guys like them too. I'm so tired. Like, my feet are killing me. Alright. Well, I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm just going to chill and probably watch some YouTube or something like that. So I'm going to end it here. And I hope you guys liked it. And comment down below if you want to see a haul video or just a good comment to keep my spirits up or anything. And say if you like these vlogs, because I already said this, but I love doing these vlogs for you guys. And I hope you guys like them too. And like and subscribe to our channel. And have a good day. Bye.